see, and again we have to reverse the list. Okay, so these many operations and 5 operations we need to perform. So initially we'll just again revise what exactly linked list, okay, and how to create a single element in the linked list. Okay, once it is covered, then we'll go with the operations of the linked list. Okay, so basically what is a linked list? So every node is attached to the next node. Okay, so okay, so now if I have this node, okay, so as we taught yesterday, so in linked list, okay, so every node, so this is my first node, okay, and this is my second node. Okay, so first node is attached to the second node with the help of its address. Okay, so this is going to attach its second node with the help of this address. Okay, and every node will have 2 parts. Okay, so first part will be the data part. Okay, first part will be the data part, and second part will be the pointer part. Okay, so second part will be the pointer part. Okay, so that we have. So every node will be associated like this. Okay, so it's like it's very simple actually. You know the concept of the pointer. So similarly as a pointer concept, okay, it will work. Okay, so this is the basic terminology behind linked list. Okay, so we'll see the program how to work with this. Okay, so like this, the link list will be created. So this is the list I have. Okay, and this will be my last node. Okay, so I will just make as like this sign. Otherwise, I will make it ground. Okay, so this is a representation. Actually, you can do anything. Okay, and the first node we are calling. So this is my first node, which is called as a head node. Okay, so this is my first node, which is called as a head node. Okay, so like this. Okay, so we are starting from head. Okay, so every node will have its data and it has a pointer. Okay, and pointer will have the address of the second element and so on. Okay, getting this much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we'll see now how that particular one single element to be created. So already we have gone through a short program yesterday. So we'll have a node like this. Okay, so I'll just write struct, okay, node. Okay, so that is my structure, and what it contains, it will contains 2 parts. So it is integer data. Okay, and next is I need a pointer to the next node. Okay, so this is my structure. So the pointer should be of type same. Okay, so it will be struct node r. Okay, I will say next. Getting? So this is the what we'll say structure of the node. This much is clear. So node will contain 2 parts. One part is a data part and one part is a pointer. So that pointer is pointing to the next element. As the next element is of a type of what we can say node, so our pointer should be of type node. Okay, so already we have seen in previous year. So the pointer should be of the same time to which data we are pointing. Suppose that data is of float type of data, so the pointer should be float data. Okay, if data is of a string or character data, so the pointer should be of the same data. You cannot point to a float data with the use of integer data. It is possible, but it will give us an error. Okay, so I think this much is clear to you initially. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the next node we have, so every next node, it is of type node. Okay, so that we have, so our pointer must be node. Okay, so that's we have. So now how we can get, it's very simple. This particular program is very simple as compared to the processing. So we'll first see the insert part. Okay, so we'll first see the insert part. Okay, we'll just write ins. Okay, so we have to first see the insert part. Okay, so insert part we have to do. So what we'll do now, initially we'll step by step go on approaching. If you understood this today's task we are going to do, so rest of the what we'll say this unit will be only based on this task. Okay, so what we'll need now, so I will need one head pointer. Okay, so that is my prerequisite. Head pointer I will node and I will need head pointer. Okay, the next pointer I will need an element pointer, or we can say a new node pointer. Okay, so or we can say these variables will need. Okay, so head variable will need. Okay, head variable will need, node variable will need. Okay, so these 2 variables actually will need. Okay, so what we'll do now. Okay, Okay, so what we'll do now, so we'll just initially make head. Okay, so initially we'll make head. Okay, so every time what we'll say, if it is, so how to declare the head now? Okay, which is of type node as a pointer. Yes, how we can do this? So I have to create a pointer of type node. How will I will create?
For node star head.
Yes, so it will be node star head. Okay, yes, correct. So that will be my first pointer. Okay, so what I will do now for this purpose, okay, and there will be another, we'll see that later on. Okay, so my head will be the first thing I will make head. Okay, so now how to access the element of the structure? So I need to use this what we'll say operator. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So head data will be some data, I will say 20. Okay, and head, I can say initially head next will be null. Okay, so there is nothing will be pointer. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so I will just clear out this now. How it is working now. I'll just remove. Okay, so nothing is now in memory. Okay, so I think basic is clear to you. Okay, so what we have created now, I have created one head. Okay, so that is an empty node. Okay, so empty node I have created. So that empty node will contain value as 20. This empty node contains value as 20. Okay, and the next of this is marked as null. Okay, so there is nothing next. Okay, so we'll just try to make some another symbol. Okay, so next will be null. Okay, so this is my last node. Okay, so this is created. Otherwise directly I will write n over here, so that will be better. Okay, so n is over here. So single node is created. This much is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what I will do for insertion, I will create one another node. Okay, so there is a new node. So this is head node. So we'll write new node over here. New node over here. Okay, so again the same procedure I have to follow. So we'll create a new node element. So that will be node star new node. Okay, so that is created. So again, new node data is equal to suppose 25. Okay, again we'll have new node next equal to null. Okay, so that is created. So what it is will create now. So again one empty node is one new node is created with value 25. So this is my new node created. Okay, so it will have a value as 25. I will just say 25 over here. So 25 will be the value over here. Okay, so again it will be having null as a next pointer. Okay, so now next what I have to do. So this is my head node. Okay, so every time head we have, so I have to point this head node to the new node. So how we can point then? Yes, getting my question, is it clear to you?
So the new node and head node la connect करेगा ना मुझे.
Yes, head should be the now. It should head node should connect to the new node. So there
Sir,
should be one link.
head next time sir head arrow next is equal to new करू शकतो ना sir. नाही, sorry, next.
Yes, yes.
New node.
That's the correct thing that we can do. So what I will do now, I will just make head next is equal to new node. Yes, getting, so it will be now connected. Okay, so head next now null will not be there. Okay, so null will not be there. So it will be now connected to the next part. Clear? This much is clear. So how we have connected the new node to the head?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so again the same thing I will repeat again. I will create one another new node. Okay, so we'll just create one another new node with the same terminology. So I will create another new node. So that is new node data is equal to 35. Okay, and new node next is equal to null. Okay, so that will again create one another new node. Okay, so this will be created as a new node. Okay, so it will create one another new node with some value. Okay, so suppose its value is 35. Okay, and its next is null. So tell me now, this new node is now to be connected in this sequence. So how we can do this? Question कळाला का काय ते?
न्यू नोड नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल टू परत न्यू नोड करू
The
शकतो.
new node next equals to new node.
But that is already overwritten na now. I have used the same new node variable, so that is overridden.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And still, okay, so that's you can consider.
Head next.
Yes, that is
Head
one
next.
thing. Yes, so that is one thing we can make. So okay, so as per their suggestion, we can make like this. This is somewhat head next is equal to new node. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But how many times we'll do this next? Suppose I have 10 nodes, so 10 times I have to add next. So is there any alternative? This is the correct answer, no issue. No issue. This is the correct way we can do this. But the next we cannot, we don't know how many times you have to write next. So how these many next we cannot add to this sequence. Okay, so how we can do this? Any other alternative?
Sir, address.
Which address we have to work with?
Oh, second new
Address of 35 in 25 node.
Yes, that's I'm saying how we can reach to 25. That is the first thing. 35 is there. We have now 35 already with us. Okay, but how we can reach to 25? We have one head node in our hand. Okay, that head node is connected to 25. Okay, so now that 25 I have to connect to 35. So how to move to node 25? That's my question. Any guess? Okay, this is just time because this much. If you clear about this idea, nothing is in program. Okay, all next programs like single linked list, double linked list, circular list, everything will be based on this concept only. Okay.
सर ते सायक्लिक सांगितलेलं बघा तुम्ही काल
काय?
सायक्लिक
हा ते मी सर्क्युलरचं सांगितलं होतं. Okay, so I just clear out this. Okay, this is the correct way. Okay, actually, but this we cannot have next every time. Okay, so again, what we can make, I will write like this. Okay, there is one hint I will give you. Okay, so you just try to check. Okay, whether you'll get an answer or not. Okay, so what I will do, I will just make now like this. I will just write. Sorry, I will just make like this. Okay, so I will make like this. Okay, head is equal to head next. Okay, that I will do, and then I will make head next is equal to new node. Will it work? Okay, this head now become pointing to this node.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and this next will be this node. Will it work? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
थोडं मी आता हे हळू का घेतोय कारण तुम्हाला एकदा ते कळलं पाहिजे. ओके, वन्स यू गेट क्लिअर आयडिया अबाउट व्हॉट इज दॅट नेक्स्ट, हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स नेक्स्ट इज जस्ट नेक्स्ट. Okay, so like suppose I am in a train. Okay, so suppose we have to create a small train. Okay, basically we have to create a small train and there will be only one entry, like a head entry will be there only. Okay, so so I have one compartment added. Okay, so how I can add next compartment? I will add like this. So I will link it to this. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so this we have. Okay, so the main thing is that you must clear about this. What is next? Okay, so likewise, what we are discussing, this is first compartment. Okay, and I have to connect second compartment. So I will add just rope, not a train, but if you have to connect something like that particular any box we have to connect. So I will take one rope. I will connect to this. Okay. So now I have to connect next new box to this particular sequence. So what I will do, I will now go to the first box. I will check whether link is connected. Yes, it is connected. So I will move to the second box. Okay. So I will check whether link is connected. So I will just take another rope and I will just connect that. Okay. So similarly, if next node comes, I will connect that. Okay. So where we'll start from the first node. Okay, so till we'll found any empty node. Okay, we'll just go on moving. Okay, and once we reach to any empty node, then we'll connect that particular to the new box to be connected over here. So this much is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, सगळ्यांना कळतंय ना? Because this is something
Yes, sir.
logical. Okay, so for that purpose I am taking it. Okay, but now in case, okay, so initially what I did, now this is all are as a pointer. Okay, so I will make head is equal to head next. So now my head will point to this location. Okay, head will point to this location. So there is no reference to the first element. Okay, I will definitely I will add 35 over here. So this list will become 35. So but when next time there is another node will come with value 45, suppose. Okay, so value 45. So what will happen? So this will be now my head. Okay, so there is no reference to this 20. Getting? Because we already made head is equal to head next. Okay, so head is already shifted because these are all our pointer. Okay, so this previous pointer is overwritten. Okay, so this head will be now. So it will start from 25. Okay, so getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हा कुठं कुठं
Sir, mic.
सर आप म्यूट हो.
Okay, sorry, I just muted. Okay, so now just tell me any other solution by हे कळलं ना तुम्हाला head overwrite will, so that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now how to any other approach that you can think how we can work with this. This we have to do. We only will go from first node, then only we'll move to the next node. Otherwise, we cannot move from intermediate node because suppose there are 50 nodes, we cannot store each and every address in some array or somewhere else. Okay, so that we cannot store the last element address. Still, if you store the last element address, still we have to start from the first element. Okay, so that we have. So just tell me any alternative that we can work on. कळतंय का सगळं तुम्हाला जे सांगते ते? It's very simple actually, but something logical, so that you must get adapted with them. Okay, ज्यांना नाही कळलं त्यांनी +1 टाका chat box मध्ये, so I will get to know. Okay, so if anything is any difficulty over here, so that can be discussed again, and don't hesitate to ask again, and that we can discuss again. Okay, so just tell me what is an alternative. So I should keep head as it is. Okay, but still I have to move from head to last node. How we can do this? Okay, so this is one solution, sir. We can store the address of head nodes in some other variable and operate on that. Yes, that's the correct way. Okay, so what we need to do, okay, so what I will do, I'll just remove everything now. Okay. What I will do now, I will take one another node, so which is called the temp node. Yes, I will take one another node. So we'll just take a temp node. Okay, so that temp I will make is equal to head. Okay, and I will move that temp to the next element. So this is temp, so that will be moved to the next element. So I will check whether that link is null. Yes, if it is null, then I will assign new node over here. Okay, if it is not null, then again I will move to the next element. So I will move till I will found null element, and once I will found null element, so I will add the new node at this place. Okay, so getting. So the best way it is temp is equal to head, and we'll make temp is equal to temp next until we'll found a null element. Clear? So
Yes.
yes. So if this is clear, so we'll move to the program. Okay. So this much is only the program. Rest of the thing is addition to this. Okay. So if you are easily able to insert, create a new node, add the new node over there. Okay. So that will work. Okay. Can we move ahead then to program?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll just see program. Okay. Okay, so we'll go with Ripples. I will share the screen. Okay, you have your eye on last week. You know that? Hello? माहिती
No,
का
sir, we
तुम्हाला?
don't know.
नाही सर, नाही माहिती.
तुम्हाला लास्ट वीकला तुमची आई राहील 21च्या दरम्यान काहीतरी आहे. प्रिपेअर रेडी तयारी करा. तुम्हाला आईचे फॉर्मॅट सगळ्यांनी सांगितले कशी आई होणार आहे, काय होणार आहे?
नाही सर.
नाही सर.
फॅकल्टीने नाही सांगितलं तुम्हाला? म्हणजे मागच्या वेळेसारखं नसणार आहे यावेळेस की सगळ्यांचाच गुगल फॉर्मवर होईल. देर विल बी सम टूल्स like data structure. What we are going to do, we'll going to create a hacker rank competition, short quiz you can say similarly, but some programming stuff and other stuff you need to do. Okay, so like that everyone have its own different tool. For data structure I will also confirm you this week. Okay, how the I will be conducted. Okay, so every subject there will be some sort of different evaluation methodology, not like only Google quiz will be there. Okay, so I will it will be communicated to faculties to tell to the students so today or tomorrow, but next you can also ask to the respective faculties. Okay, so when will be the I, how it is conducted, what is the procedure, marking scheme, and all you can ask. Okay, okay, so we'll move now. Okay, so what I will do, so I will create one struct node. Okay, so that will create, and to the struct node I will create two values. So in data, okay, and there will be, so we'll just create in it type def. Okay, so it will be node are next. Okay, so that will be my pointer. Okay, so that will work. Issue type def requires a name. Take an issue. Okay, so we'll create node. Okay, star head. Okay, node star will be temp will be there. Okay, and node. Okay, so we'll create one function as insert. Okay, so I will create one function insert. Okay, and to that function we'll pass one number. Okay, so that function will work on that. Okay, so we'll just create the function. What's an error to that function? No template named insert. C+ requires a type specifier. You will see that int I need to replace with something. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so I will write this function int insert. Okay, so inside this insert it will be int number. Okay, so what we'll do now, okay, so we'll create one another node. So node star new node. Okay, and we'll create new node. Okay, so that data will be number. Okay, and what we have to do, new node next equal to, what to be done, new node next is equal to null. Okay, so that is new node is created. So I will just make return new node. Okay, so that is my function, and I will just make return type as node star. Okay, so this is also made as node star. Getting, so this is an insert function is created. So this much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But in C++, it's not possible only to, means if you have created a pointer, so we are not able to directly store a value to it. Okay, so we have to allocate the space to it. Okay, so already we have seen we have just touched the topic of dynamic memory allocation. Okay, so here what we have to do, new node is equal to new node. Okay, so this new keyword will create a new node, means allocate the memory of the node. Okay, so total memory what it has, so that much memory is allocated over here, then we are able to create over here. Okay, so what we'll do now, so we'll create head again. So head will be the same thing, head is equal to new node. Okay, so it will be allocated. So I will create one head node, head data we can say. Okay, so head data is equal to suppose 22. Okay, initial node, so head next is equal to null initially. Okay, so this much, so this head node we have created. Okay, so that's our first task. Okay, I will discuss later on how this to be improvised. Okay, and I will take one another here, so that is star new node, or we can say still keep same as it is, star new node. Okay, so it is new node is equal to insert, and to the insert I will pass one value, that is 12. Okay, so that is my passed value. Okay, so what this insert function will do, it will create a new node with some memory address. Okay, so it will return that new node, and that new node will be assigned into your main function. So this much is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what we have to do, so I will just make head next is equal to new node. Okay, so we have added that particular element over here. So this much is clear. So first element is added. Okay, कळते सगळ्यांना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we'll just try to print whether that is added to the head or not. So we'll just
Sir. सर हेड को प्री इनिशियलाइज करना जरूरी है सर, मतलब
okay,
बिना
whenever
initialize किए
yes, whenever you are okay, so that I will tell you. Okay, so that's we'll come to that point, but we'll go step by step. There is no need to initialize head. We can directly check if head is null, so directly we'll assign the new element to that head, so that we can follow. But we'll see, I'll just see head data, so that is just to confirm. Okay, and I will just make head next data. We'll just see whether that next node is added to the head or not. Okay, so I think it's working. Yes. Yes, so head data will be 22, head next data is 12. Okay, so you have passed 12 over here. Correct? This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I will do, I will just again do the same procedure. Okay, so new node is equal to 12. Okay, so now head next is equal to new node. So I will just make it 15. So what will happen in this case? Okay, so it is 12, 20 to 15. Why 12 is not there? Yes. It should be in 20 to 12, 15 now. Why it is not like that?
Sir, head the next new node के लिए.
Okay, so that is overwritten. Okay, so if you see, okay, so that is overridden. So for that purpose, it's not possible. Okay, so that's we have. Okay, so now what we have to do, so I will just add one thing. Okay, so we'll introduce the temp variable, but till introduction of the temp variable we'll do now. So this is now head next, so no issue. So we added the next element new node over here, but here it's not possible. Again, that will be overridden. So what I will do now, we'll just make temp is equal to head, and I will just make while temp next not equal to null. Okay, so I just make temp is equal to temp next. And finally, I will just make, once we'll reach to any node whose next is null, I will make m next is equal to new node. Okay, so what it will do now, it will go to the first element. So suppose this is my first element, head will be the first element. So it will check whether that next is null. So now in this case, it's not null, it is pointing somewhere. Okay, so temp will move to the next element. Okay, so again, it will check whether that next is null. So no, it is not null, one element already added. So it will move to the next element. So now it will check next is null. Yes, next is null. So it will stop over here. Okay, so now temp is pointing here at this location or at this location. Where is temp now? While coming out of this program, this while loop, where is temp? Here or here? Put temp, we are checking temp next is equal to null. What we are checking, temp next is null. Okay, so temp is here because this node next is null. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so what we have to do now? So we have to do temp next is equal to new node. Okay, so the new node will be added after this. Okay, so this is temp at my this position. So the new node will be added over here. So it will be temp next is equal to new node. Okay, so that is added over here. So now what we'll do now, again the same thing I will do. So I will remove this for display. We'll just make again temp will reinitialize, temp is equal to head. Okay, so while temp not equal to null. Okay, so I will just make out /n value, okay, is equal to temp data. We'll just run this, we'll see will it work or not.
Sir, temp equal
Now
to temp next.
Okay, so that's remained. Okay, so that need to be added. Thank you. So we'll just add that over here. Temp equal to temp. Getting, so all three values are now added. So this much is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we have created like this. So this is insert function. Okay, so insert function you can call as many time. Okay, so you can put this display function separate. Okay, so separate display function you can call. Okay, and like this. Okay, so this much is now we have. Okay, so here we can do like this. Okay, so once you call the insert function, okay, so like we can say, okay, so there is no need to initialize the head. Okay, so as Sanjit is saying, there is no need to initialize the head. Once the insert function is called, okay, we'll just check if head is equal to null. Okay, so then we'll make head is equal to new node. Okay, that's we have. Else we can make this part. Okay, so I'll just remove this. This will be that temp equal to head, while temp not like this, and temp next equal to new node that we have. And once it is done, okay, so this we can do for the element next element. So this is the first thing. Okay, so this we can call like this. Okay, so what I will do now, we'll just include this in for loop. I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus I can say. Okay, so we'll just include this particular block over here. Okay, so now what will happen, new node is equal to, I will just make I into 12, so that will be some multiples of 12. Okay, some multiples of 12 it will work. So I into 12 it will have. So if head is equal to null, so new node will be now head. Okay, else temp is equal to head, while temp next not equal to null, we'll make temp equal to temp next, and we'll make this temp next is equal to new node. So this will be working now, and once this all node will be added, so we'll just display the thing. So we'll just run this. Getting, so this is working now fine. Clear? This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if anyone have doubt on this much part, so you just clear out this. Okay, so because this is very important. Okay, so once this is cleared, the rest of the thing is very simple. Okay, so rest you can do by your own also. यात कुणाला काही जरी डाऊट असेल, सो यू जस्ट क्लियर इट.
सर वो 0 2 बार भी प्रिंट हुआ सर.
Yes, so why that 0 is 2 times? Okay, so first 0 will be I into 0, so that will become 0. Okay, so next time what will happen? Just check. Okay, any pointer? Huh? Yes, next time it will be 12. Okay, so 12 is there, so 2 times 0. So in print, what we have done, temp is equal to head, temp not equal to null. We have printed temp data and then we have made temp next. Okay. So this head we have made new node. So initially it will be 0. So if we take 1, so there will be 1, 0. Okay, so initial node becomes 0. Head becomes 0 in this case. So I think head null is not working. Okay,
सर
हाँ yes.
सर आपने न्यू नोड इंसर्ट कर दिया ना सर, तो हेड बन चुका था ना सर एक बार. फिर इफ हेड इज इक्वल टू नल.
नहीं हेड किया नहीं ना हमने तो न्यू नोड क्रिएट किया ना. सो हेड इज नॉट क्रिएटेड एक्चुअली. Head is created now, no issue. So it is pointing over here. So for that purpose we're working only one some head becomes 0 initially. So you need to check that. Okay, so why this head is 0? Okay, so we can check like this. You just print C out. Otherwise after this we can check. We can make like this also. I can remove this initialization. We'll just make like this. Okay, so let's see that. Segmentation fault. Okay, so head is equal to new node. Okay, so we'll okay, because head it's created by 0 initially, so that to be assigned. So we'll just check whether it comes inside. I hope.
तर आता नाही आलं सर 2-0.
नाही वरती परत
इस बार नहीं
केलं
आया सर 2-0. लास्ट टाइम हो गया.
काय झालं बा 1:1 राहिलं. Okay, because with this initialization it is assigned the value 0 automatically. Okay, so because of this initialization it assigns the value 0 automatically, and before that we can check also if okay, so wait a minute, what I just missing one step. Okay,
सर लास्ट टाइम भी यही कोड था सर, पर उस टाइम 2-0 आया, इस टाइम 1-0 आया सर.
अरे मैंने
Change
यहाँ
नहीं
पे
हुआ.
1 किया, कुछ नहीं किया, यहाँ पे 1 किया इसलिए वो 1-0 नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ ओके.
Okay, now it works fine. Okay, because initially we have to assign head to null because it will create a node, but with some garbage value null it will create. Okay, so initially we have to assign it to null, then it will work. Clear?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So this is you need to do. Okay, so if you understood this, then only rest of the thing is very simple. Okay, rest of the thing you have to just work on this. Okay, so you have to create a function for insert like we have created another function. Okay, so instead of this for loop you will just take the input from the user. Okay, so it will create the what will say linked list of these many elements. Okay, so all the elements now link to any another element. So suppose what I will do, yes,
तो एल्स वाला पार्ट सांगा सर मला एकदा.
का खालचा.
तो सांगा.
Okay, इथं काय केलं आपण, suppose head is null means what, there is no element because we assigned head to null initially. Okay, so in that case we have assigned the new element to the head. So now once the head is created, so it will not null now. Okay, so what will happen next? So I have made temp is pointing to head. Okay, so in this case now temp is over here, so at this place temp is over here. Okay, so what will happen, so we'll just make temp next not equal to null. Okay, so as it is the first element, okay, as a new node is first element, so if you see, so new node next is already null. Okay, so if there is only one element, so temp next is null. Okay, so what it will do, it will make this particular thing, so temp next will be added as new node. Okay, so once the next element is added, so again temp will start from this first node. Okay, So it will check next is null, so next is not null. So again we'll make temp is equal to temp next. Okay, so temp is again move to this node. Okay, so temp will be my over here. Okay, so again we are checking whether temp next null. Yes, temp is next is null, so there is no element added, so it will add that element. So similarly, continuously it will check, it will move temp to the element until it gets its next value as null. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, so if it is clear, then okay. सांगा
ठीक आहे.
एवढं कळलंय का?
त्या while मध्ये ते एकच स्टेटमेंट आहे ना, त्यामुळे थोडा प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे
कुठला?
सर ते एकच स्टेटमेंट आहे ना फक्त while मध्ये temp is equal to
ओके ओके. हे फक्त कसं आहे की तो लूपिंग मध्ये काय करतो, तो नेक्स्ट करत जातो. नेक्स्ट व्हॅल्यू त्याला नल जोपर्यंत सापडत नाही ना तोपर्यंत तो नेक्स्ट करतो. वन्स इट इज फाउंड नल, ओके, सो इट कम आउट. ओके, सो विल रीच टू एन नोड. ओके, सो हुज नेक्स्ट इज नल. ओके, आणि त्याला आपण न्यू नोड असाइन करतो. एवढं कळालं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if it is clear to everyone, you just try this much part, because the rest of the part is just addition. Okay, so suppose I will just tell you one another thing. So what I made now, I will made it 20. Okay, so if you run this, okay, so it will give us 20 elements. Okay, so now it's very simple. So in printing, suppose I will make now temp is equal to temp next, or I will make this 2 times. So what will happen? So it will increment 2 times. So my output will be, if you see, one element is skipped in between. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, likewise. So it's only working with pointers. So everything is only working with pointers. Okay, so if you are good in pointers, okay, and if you understood this much concept, okay, so that's very simple. Okay, in rest of this unit, what we have to do, we have to create like next pointer, we have to create a previous pointer. Okay, so once we create every new node, so that new node should be assigned to again reverse way. So that should be again assigned to the previous node. Okay, and as we are traversing now from head node to end node, we are again traversing from tail node. That end is called as tail, so tail to head. So that is also possible. Okay, but remember, at any point of time we are only able to start at one point. Okay, so we cannot start through intermediate point. Like in array, we cannot directly jump to this element without reference of your base address. Okay, so you must have a reference of a base address, whether if you are writing a of 5, but still a has some base address, and that is calculated, and then only on the base of a we are going to move to the 5th position. Okay, so likewise here also there is head node. Okay, so with the help of head node only we are able to move to the actual position. कळालं एवढं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this much we just try initially. Okay, so we'll just take from user. I will just make a while. Okay, we'll just make choice and all. Okay, so once it is done, we'll discuss. I will share this much to you. एवढं केलं तर deletion and all the things is very simple. Okay, so if you have to delete any node, how to delete node? Suppose I have to delete one node. Suppose we'll just now clear this. Okay, so suppose I have created one node. This is my first node. This is my second node. And this is my third node. Okay, so I have created these 3 nodes. This node is pointing to this node. Okay, this node is pointing to this node. So how we can create this node? We can delete this node. कसं delete करणार आपण हा node? काय करायला लागेल? We can delete this. This is my head node. काय करायला लागेल?
पॉइंटरला नेक्स्ट नोडला पॉइंट करायला लागणार ना.
Yes, so this pointer I have to move to the directly to this node. Okay, म्हणजे एकदा हा डब्बा काढून टाकला आपल्याला, तो असला नसला तरी सुद्धा we cannot reference that. This is simple way. This is only we have to move. Okay, and we have to remove this. Okay, that's the only thing we have to do. So the rest of the thing is very simple. In this code, if we are going to do the code, so again what we are going to do, okay, so suppose there are 10 elements, okay, and we have to search for some elements. So what I will do, temp is equal to head I will make. Okay, temp is equal to head I will make, and what I will do to delete this, okay, so I will move like this, while a temp. Okay, what I will do, temp next data not equal to value to be deleted. I will just see there is one variable value. Okay, so we'll make temp equal to temp next. Temp is equal to temp next. Okay, so now in this case, temp is over here. Okay, so temp is over here. So I have to delete this value. So now temp next data has this value. So simply I have to do very simple thing. Okay, so simply I have to do like this. Once we reach to temp, I will make temp next is equal to temp next. Will it work? Yes. Will it work? Otherwise, we can do in simple way. Okay. Element is equal to temp next. Okay, so now my temp is pointing over here and my element is pointing over here because element is equal to temp next. So element is pointing over here. Okay, so what I have to do now? Okay, so once I have element, okay, so I will make temp next is equal to element next. Okay, so what will happen? This temp next becomes now to pointing to element next. Okay, this is my element, so temp next is pointing to now element next. Okay, so finally I will do like this only and delete temp. Okay, clear? Okay, so got this much? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तर एवढंच आहे याच्यामध्ये. तर हे तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित, सो एवढा पार्ट व्यवस्थित करा तुम्ही. सो विल हॅव 30 minutes in our hand. I'll just give you the REPL link. Okay, so you just do this much part. Okay, so try to insert the node and try to display the node. Okay, once it is done, you can go for the search also. Search is only the thing. You have to make temp is equal to temp next until temp data is equal to your value which to be searched. If it is there, so you can tell the number is found or a number is not found. So is it possible you can do this much part? So until search you can do. Delete I can tell you. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now it's in 3:10. So you just go complete this. So then we'll see evaluation of that. Okay, then thank you. So if you have any doubt, you just put into chat box. Okay, I will be on here only.